Utpal Adhikari, and I hope you are enjoying this online classes. Today I am going to discuss the exercise chapter number 2, that is linear equation in one variable. That is the fourth video on this chapter. Okay, today we will start from the sum number 14. Let's see what is the sum number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has notes denominations of rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 respectively. Okay, the ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with the Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination? Okay, so it is clear that the Lakshmi has rupees 4 lakh and the notes are of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. With some notes, she has rupees 4 lakh. Now, and the number of notes, how many numbers of 100 rupees note, how many numbers of 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note are in the given ratio 2:3:5. 2:3:5. And we have to find that how many notes of each denomination. How many notes of each denomination means we have to calculate how many notes of rupees 100, how many notes of rupees 50 and how many notes of rupees 10. Okay, as ratio is given as our process, let the number of notes are rupees 2x, 3x, 5x. 2x means rupees 100, 3x rupees 50 and 5x rupees 10. Okay, so how many notes of rupees 100? That is 2x, 3x and 5x. 2x, 3x, 5x. These three numbers are number of notes. Number of notes. If I multiply with that 2x with 100, that is value of the note. It means money. That is amount. 2x into 100, the amount of notes of rupees 100. And if we multiply 3x with 50, that is amount. And 5x, how many? 5x means rupees 10 into 5x, that will give the amount. Sum of these three amounts, which consist of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note, is 4 lakh. That's why according to question, sum of these notes equal to 4 lakh. Now 200, 150 and 50. 200 plus 150 plus 50 equal to 400. 400 is equal to 4 lakh. From this equation we get x equal to 1000. X equal to 1000. How many numbers of 100 rupees note? That is 2x. So 2 into 1000, that is 2000. So there 2000 100 rupee notes. How many notes of rupees 50? That is 3x. That's why 3 into 1000. So 3000 notes of rupees 50 and 5x means rupees number of notes of rupees 10, that is 5 into 1000, 5000. So 5000, 3000 and 2000, sum of this money is 4 lakh. Okay, in the next sum, that is sum number 15, I have total of rupees 300 in coins, rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Okay, the total number of coins is 160. Find the number of coins. Okay, so total money rupees 300 and these 300 consist of 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Okay, and one conditions is given that rupees 2 coins is 3 times of rupees 5. Okay, so condition is given, the relation is given rupees 2 and rupees 5. I am taking, let rupees 5, number of coins of rupees 5 is x. As per condition, the 3 times of the rupees 5 coins. So if rupees number of coins of rupees 5 x, 3 times means 3 into x, that is 3x, and rupees 2 coins 3x, rupees 5 coins x, then total number of coins is 160. remaining should be number of rupees 1 coins. So that is 160 minus 4x. So rupees 1, number of rupees 1 coins, that is 160 minus 4x. Okay, so these are the number of coins. X, 3x and 160 minus 4x are the number of coins. If I multiply rupees x into 5, that is amount. Rupees 3x into 2, that is amount. Rupees 160 minus 4x into 1, that is amount. And sum of these three amount is rupees 300. So according to the question, 1 into that is number of coins of rupees 1. If we multiply by 1, that is amount. 3x into 2, amount, and 5x into 5 into x, that is 5x. So 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5. So minus 4x plus 6x and plus 5x, that is 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 4, 7x. Here in this side 160 is positive. If it moves in this side, it will be negative. 300 minus 160, that is 140. 7x equal to 140. X equal to 140 by 7, that is 20. So x means number of coins, number of rupees 5 coins. So number of rupees 5 coins, that is 20. How many coins of rupees 5? 20. How many numbers of rupees 2? That is 3 times. 3 into 20, that is 60. And rupees 1, that is 160 minus 5, 160. It is given that number of total coins 160. That is 20 plus 60, 160 minus 80, that equal to 80. So number of coins or number of coins of rupees 1, that is 80. Okay, in the next question, that is question number 16. The organizer of an essay competition decided that a winner gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participants who did not win gets rupees 25. The total money is distributed rupees 3000. Find the number of winners. Okay, so an essay competition and total number of participants 63. Among this 63, some of them are winners and some of them who did not win the prize. So who are winner, they will be awarded with rupees 100, and who are not winner, they are also be awarded with, but amount is only rupees 50. And total money, the total winners plus non-winner, those are not win, the value total money is rupees 3000. So 3000 divided into two parts, winners and non-winners. Okay, I am taking the number of winners is x. Number of winners is x. So number of participants who did not win, total number 63. Total number 63. If x persons win, then number of participants who did not win, 63 minus x. Okay. Now every winner will be awarded with rupees 10. Okay. So if total number of winners is x, total money of those winners is x into 100, and those who are not winners, 63 minus, they will be awarded with rupees 50. And this is the two parts, and this sum leads to 3000. That 3000 money is divided into two parts. That is, first part is for the winners, second part for the participants who did not win. So x into 100, 100x, and 63 into 20 minus x into minus 25, 63 into 25, that is 1575. Okay, so 100x minus 25x, that is 75x. And if 1575 change its sign to right hand side, that is 1575. So after subtracting, we get 1425. Now 75 is multiplied with the x, change to its side, that is that multiplication, it is a division. So 1425 by 75 win. So number of participants who win X and who did not win, total number of participants 63. If number of participants who win 19, who did not win, that is 63 minus 19, that is 42, 44. Okay, 44 participants who did not win.